guys. Let's get a group pic.
I'm just happy that good folks like Mrs. Lieberman got their money back. Sorry. It's a cologne.
It's an acquired taste, I suppose. Hey.
Wait a minute. That bag, it smells like... Hey! This is the key to the city! My key! Guy, we have definitive...
Police!